There are a number of security features in the Windows 10 operating system that can keep your user data safe. The accounts feature is one of the most important things that are being added. You can use a regular user account or an administrator account to log into the computer. If you log in as a user, you will only have limited access to the system. If you log in as an administrator, you will have full access to the system. In this video, we'll show you how to make yourself as administrator on Windows. Even though the administrator account gives you full control over your system, the standard account still has one advantage that makes it the better choice. The standard account is safer because it doesn't let you make any big changes to the system. Here are the steps to start making yourself as administrator. Click on the Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Accounts. Click on Family and Other Users. Select the user account. Click the Change Account Type button. Select Administrator. Click on the OK button. You can also change the account type in the control panel, which has the same effect. Here's how. Type Control Panel on the search bar. This is located on the lower left side of the screen just after the Start button. Click on the Control Panel app. This will appear as the first option. Click on User Accounts. This is usually found at the bottom of the window. Click on Change Your Account Type. This will open a new window where you can make changes to the account. Select Administrator. This will make the account an administrator. Click the Change Account Type button. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.